Ventila enede so ababonten ede ensimbi abatu eja ede afa MP for Asin Central Metre Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Ohene Japan ho achese ebusuafo nensem a wodi etu eje nyina ene se honorable de eba na ewudi a wo ya ade wokan ya na chese wo take action a enesa enunti mampanyi his excellency na nada kwakufu ado ne na pam for monhwe omonsa no emfa emfri ni dwumadi a wodie as chairman of parliament parliamentary defense and interior committee ewo man Ghana emu wo mo enhwe wo mu enyino emfa emfri odinti ena wo kasa ensem we ya na chese wo kiremu a honorable Kennedy Japan threaten na wo threaten Ahmed Swali emre bia etwem wo no saa threaten no ena wo de ekọ ede ama Joy FM journalist no chese wo susu se wo ma onyama wo threaten no pe na chese attack edi eche na chese wuwu a eno no saa ena wo de Ahmed Swali a enede Ahmed enka atasefo ho abesisi semre yentimi hu enkrofo wo mu edi saa ewuo no still na no do ogitum se ye honorable Kennedy Japan edi saa ewuo no so still wo da so to wo mai mu yentimi anyeden enche no entoto na no enje nanum ensem nenti entrene am wo de ema Iratus no wo mo enhwe na wo mtu na mo emfa ho anye saa pa edia ene wo beyi abrante no edefo because eba ne say killing of people wo mo ekasa editia wo mo amanyukuo no anase ema amanyukuo no entimi enkoso wo no de wade sa contract ndi ato no ho sisem wo bia wo bekasa ebema MPP amanyukuo no entimi nya enmonyam bia anase ebema nkofo gide omuwo wo ekuo nim no ebeto baha ewo kwan bia eso no ene wo se nipa no wo soso no wonhwe ema won kirebo anase wonhwe ma wondide ewo asase isu de biara edo obeyi wo de efe otise wo de nani asi Iratus so no ede na chese kuan ena wo beku no ede efe no ne Calvin Tiller ensemode etudwa na ebusuafo se de wo kan ensem no moma yenkoti na ansana no mekai mo ese Ochade Herbal Center ena so yasen ema ye de adwumade no ebebeso ho Ochade ese yare biara oba wo pa wo be ma wo low sperm count ebiem so oba wa himfi wo enkan wo ho no menyenyenyenyenyenyenyenye wo nyunya bie wo nam na chese nipa nyina edwane de a ene na wo nsusu no eyo how enu ti hwe na tu ase ebiem nsusu se diabetes ena etete wo enti hye wa yare asthma ewo wo so obabi so ene de wotenete ede ema wo enu ti fane number ewo screen no eso na ene no entwetwe nkomo na ebusuafo yetoa ensem no eso no yenkoni yenkoti Kevin Tiller ensem
Kennedy Japan. The reason why I'm me cleckless animal we have very, very sensitive issues, you know. There's a video out Kennedy Japan has spoken. My concentration is not actually on Joy for Makoji, some journalists in multimedia, Makoji bribe or Gabi Asachidakon. I've told you guys several times. Last 2 weeks, I told you, that is what they do. They line up at Gabi's house and he pays them. So Evans Mensah, Gay Boy, and your friends saying, the morning, my friends saying, Sir, could do York, Sir Youngsters, Sir Community Boys, you know, that's how they survive. They are liars, they take bribe every day. And I'll say this without any kind of, I don't know, but these guys cannot be trusted. So I need to let you know that. But Kennedy Japan, our friend, also already the chairman of defense committee, you know. Now, and there will be breaking story or news be actually, it is very, very important. As much as I hate the operations of multimedia, no, I always want them to understand the say when it comes to human life, no, very important. And Kennedy Japan and this government, they are doing something. And I know Kennedy, I watch him. He knows I watch him every time. And I know his next move. And his next move is against a journalist. Now, this government strategy, say they want to take some journalists out. People they feel are not making them popular. But the issue is, as seminar is, you know, a journalist for and a coffee buyer, and as seminar buyer and a journalist for coffee buyer. Let's listen to this ignorant man. After that, we will deal with the issue.
We're in your attitude program, but it's an issue that we need to talk about. And Ebia, a chairman of Defense and Interior, as some way no more banging on Obian team and can't anyway. Let me start with Ejura. So, Ejura, and then me briefing, and when briefing, and then so say. Ejura, even the MP is a member of the Defense and Interior Committee. Although there were excesses, he said it plainly. He said, "I didn't hear politics, and I hear politics." Now me nim say me enu kura gu hospital was baako e twa ne nan baako e born ha. O me na ye ono ankasa adura MP. Catch them so we MP before. But I've said it several times. I'm saying it here again. Say entokwa beba Ghana ha e mu media for false reportage. Yen hwe ni ye. Ebi esi baby o. Ebi esi baby. And we are not different. Rwanda, media for over 800,000 people died. Her false reportage from Joy FM, they have to be careful. And then read my list. May catch them say, my boss, my contact Obaha, and then Bekasa catch me blame. And then may come Matthias and Joy FM. I did a muyenina. Mostly MP before and come ye into my best sabotage you. Ever bomb treason. Who boss run a car, who owner of the business. Catch them plain say, Joy FM for say, MPP for show. And he almost sabotage me. Tell your boss if I'm lying. Now me tell some officer will buy. He told me. Me, I told Gabi and the rest Joy FM for complaining. But I've met Joy FM for and what Gabi fee. And then I'm going. And then I'm going. You want to destroy the nation. But this boy should be beaten seriously. It's so annoying. Some journalists answers Obama should beat the hell out of him. May a president say that you are boy we bad. And the media we are above the law. You are not above the law. Because Obi Akukuminia. And you go and report say, well, you fix the country activists. And you see word mob and akuku. What do you gain? And then nipa mi enu asa ewu. Enti nipa mi ensa ena ewu. Joy FM. She ashamed of yourself. Obi ejimi gaja. Me catch them. Me catch them straight. Mu yo bia. Me chira mbe. Mu yo gabi fi o mu go ede. Gabi fi o mu go ede. Mu go ede. Please. And you got nerves to.
The rest, I actually don't care about the rest. But we need to set some records straight. Kennedy Japan made emphatic statement. We need to be serious about it. The reason why I say way very important to me, I have seen say he is deliberately citing or inciting people to go and kill Erastus Asare Donkor. Now, Ostati Asem say the chairman of blah 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 blah. But Utien in Sem Kimuna, he did not even have an idea about Ejura incident, you know. Because Erastus Asare Donkor, Ejura incident, you know, he was a reporter at the end of the day, no, or Koha Assembly scene anymore or Kanye. Now, remember, Fix the Country, Kaka started Fix the Country, or Kaka started Fix the Country, you know. It wasn't Erastus Asare Donkor on a static story, no, or cover story, no. When Kaka Assembly see, you know, Erastus Asare Donkor, who came in front of the committee, you know, he came in front of the committee as a journalist who was in the middle of the action. And he reported on what was happening. And the basis are, the reporter friend, the colleague, a reported before that incident happened here. So for the chairman of the defense committee and the DND committee to sit on TV to say a journalist should be beaten or to be killed. The reason why I'm angry and I am very aggressive on this, and I say, also I say, whatever Erastus Asare Donkor got now, Erastus Asare Donkor is a reporter for Multi TV. Every single statement Erastus Asare Donkor made in front of the committee, you know, we all saw those things on camera. Erastus Asare Donkor committee, you know, I have not seen anybody come out to say Erastus Asare Donkor statements or Kokaro committee, no, it contradicts anything. In fact, Fix the Country, no, did not start the day that incident happened. The Fix the Country incident was there already, and there were journalists from multimedia who were covering it. Erastus Asare Donkor was called in to come in the middle to report, and then as he was making his report, he made people understand the basis of what is happening today. So for a member of parliament who has instructed people to kill a journalist before. Kennedy Agyapong is on record telling people to go and kill Ahmed Swale. In fact, he said when people meet Ahmed Swale anywhere, they should take him out. And Ahmed Swale was killed after he did that. He put his picture on TV. Today, he sat on national television to tell Ghanaians to say, if he had his way, if he was the president, he would make sure that boy is assaulted. It is the same fingerprint here. Now, from my intelligence, they want to kill Erastus Asare-Donkor, the multimedia journalist who appeared before the committee. Now, you have to remember, any multimedia and a multimedia for doc recordings are, we would never have known what exactly happened. We wouldn't have even known that a soldier took a bow. For this guy who is saying that he's briefed every day and could not explain how this whole thing started, it means he has an agenda, and his agenda is to kill this reporter.
Odofo de Kevin Taylor de ababetu ejai wo so wadwenche fa ho enesen wo ne se yemi abeme owo fact anase ne nsam a woka no wo se empanifo enye hwehwemu emfa ho anase because of say wo ye okasa ma amanyoko bi enti no no na chese ye emfa na asem enye eye asem na se asem ba na ye fa ne se nipa no ogina on the ticket of ye political party bi enu nti ye nti a eboa emoman mitimi to mpon ana Kevin am making so much allegations they are found for do na enwa ebesi enne no enya de se yate ho ye mpopo ye se mpanifo to anamon ede afon ho ekwanya ye mpanifo ye respond to Kevin Taylor allegations no is it right so wo maka wo ma no atuma wo mo enka hwe emfa wana se wo mo nto anamon bi emfa ho no etweye ana na se ye sadia na enye wo mayi no ye betimi anya atentene ne ede ama wo mo enkwa edansane ni ana se wo mo nkwa chese ye yaji edi efri wo mo se wo betimi anya atentene ne ede ama wo mo ekra na wadwenchefa ensemi ho enesen fabra ebebetu edwa e wo tuma GH comment section na like a videos na share e all the social media platforms so follow ye e your IG page and your Twitter page so tuma GH_media ene equia sikapa that's ne ye besan edi ehia ebi makam